It's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king, and everything I do get 20 views. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. That Cephas is everywhere. Putting the interactions and reactions over here, man. I'm in the house with my co-host, The Chat, and it's the second time around. Wednesday Patreon situation. We got 11 viewers right now. If we hit 8:30 and we got over 10 viewers, I'll do them overtime. You know how it is over here. Last couple of streams, you know, we've had chances at overtimes. I think we actually had a real genuine overtime too. All right, let's get this next one going. They added older. See what we got here. Macmillan. Did I do good news already? I don't think I've done good news yet. Have I done good news yet? Let me know, y'all. Because it looks like this bar is full, so I might have done it. Mark. I'm pretty sure Mark added this. All right, so I haven't done good news yet. I've ran the gamut of Mac Miller reactions by now, man. Like, shout out Maverick, shout out Dylan, shout out Mark, shout out all my, I banged Drizzy. Shout out all my Mac Miller fans that come regularly to the comments. I appreciate y'all. Participation is just as important as monetization. Just doing Audible for 2009. What? What are you talking about? 2009 what?
Like double time? So like 140, 70 what?
So 148. 48. Come on, guys.
All right, this is Mac Miller. Good news. Oh, yeah, the song 2009? No, we haven't done this one yet. I would definitely remember this video. But 2009 is a good one. That's one I definitely need to do. All right, Microsoft Paint up in the house.
I spent the whole day in my head. Do a little spring cleaning. I'm always too busy dreaming. Well, maybe I should wake up instead. A lot of things I regret, but I just say I forget. Or can it just be easy? Why does everybody need me to stay? Oh, I hate the feeling when you're high but you're underneath the ceiling. Got the cards in my hand, I hate dealing. I need and I'm gone, but it ain't stealing. Can I get a break? I wish that I could just get out my goddamn way. What is there to say? There ain't a better time than today. Well, maybe I'll lay down for a little.
All right, this is a posthumous track. I feel like this is something he didn't finish. It sounds unfinished to me. Like the track itself. From what I've heard Mac Miller's production, and I feel like his shit is a little bit more layered than this. Yeah, okay, yeah, I could feel that. I could sense it just in the track itself. You can feel like, and you know he probably wanted to lay more layers of vocals too. All right, I'm gonna listen to it with that in mind.
Yeah, get everything I need and I'm gone.
It's rawness to it.
It ain't stealing. Can I get a break? I wish that I could just out my goddamn way. What is there to say? There ain't a better time than
yep. I love y'all in the chat, man. Y'all keep me from feeling insane.
Instead of always trying to figure everything out, and all I do is say sorry. Half the time I don't even know
what video game is this? It reminds me, I can't place it though.
No, they don't like you.
The riding towards that sun, it gives me a feeling of an old video game. Y'all know it in the chat.
So different. What's the difference when it ain't that bad?
Is it Gran Turismo?
I'm running out of gas.
That might be it. That might be it. That was one that was in the bowling alleys back in the day, right?
So tired of
I feel like that was in arcades.
Well, I gotta build something beautiful just to go set it on fire.
Cruising USA.
I'm no lie, but sometimes the truth don't sound like the truth. Maybe because it ain't. I just love the way it sound when I say it. Yeah. It's what I do. If you know me, it ain't anything new. Wake up to the moon. Haven't seen the sun in a while, but I heard that the sky's still blue. Yeah.
Haven't seen the sun in a while, but heard that the sky's so blue.
That's a problem with a closed door.
I'm looking forward to that then, Candy.
Good news, that's all they wanna hear.
Said it was a freestyle, ended up being one of his most popular songs. I'm looking forward to hearing that.
When I'm down. But when I'm flying, no, it make 'em so uncomfortable.
Yeah, I think I remember that.
So different. What's the difference? There's a whole lot more for me waiting on the other side. I'm always wondering if it feel like summer.
Yeah, if I was on any type of shrooms or hallucinogen, this would be a very trying video.
Finally discover that there's a
Trying to hold on to reality.
waiting. That there's a whole lot more for me waiting. I know maybe I'm too late. I could make it there some other time. Then I finally discover.
Yeah, it's just this right there. That shit would fuck me up.
Ain't so bad. Well, it ain't that bad. At least don't gotta be no more. No more, no more, no more, no more. No more, no more, no more, no more.
I'm sure we'll get to it. I'm sure we'll get to it. Yeah, Fridays is when all bets are off. No holds barred. Wait. Is that shit all outside the frame? Oh my goodness. It sure is. That's annoying. Guys, visually, I'm suffering. Alright, that was Mac Miller. Good news. We've ran, like I said, we've run the whole gamut of Mac Miller music. We've heard his best produced tracks. Now we've heard his unfinished music. We've heard his jazzy stuff. We've heard his hip hoppy stuff. We've heard his pop rappy stuff. It's such a short career. This guy got to explore his talent in ways that many artists never get to explore it. It's a damn shame. A damn shame. Yeah, Tiny Desk, man. That's gonna take up a. Tiny Desk needs to be like an album review, man. We need to handle those like album reviews for real, for real. All right, we getting that one. On the Mac Miller scale, I'm gonna give that a 7. We got a 7 because I know it was unfinished and it kind of felt that way. I send that.